Welcome to our video, where we'll be looking at 17 ugliest animals in the world. Nature is full of surprises, and that means even ugly animals exist in the wild that have some specified characteristics to look on. So let's begin. Number 1. Monkfish. Monkfish is a large, bottom-dwelling species of fish found in the Atlantic Ocean. Monkfish is also known as stargazer in Australia and poor man's lobster because the flesh resembles lobster meat. They have a large, bulbous head and a gelatinous body with a long, whip-like tail. Their eyes are small and beady, and their mouth is huge and filled with sharp, jagged teeth that resemble fangs. Their skin is slimy and covered in bumps and warts. They are widely regarded as one of the most unattractive and repulsive fish in the ocean. Their unique ugly looks keep them well camouflaged in deep-water dwellings. Number 2. Sri Lanka Frogmouth. The Sri Lanka frogmouth, also known as the Ceylon frogmouth, is a nocturnal bird found in western Ghats of South India and Sri Lanka. It is highly camouflaged that blend in with dried leaves. Males are gray-brown with fine bars and spots on the crown, while females are chestnut-brown with fewer markings. Like all frogmouths, the species has a large head with a wide, hooked bill and slit-like nostrils. Its small eyes face forward, which gives it a wide field of binocular vision, and they are surrounded by short, stiff bristles. The name frogmouth refers to the shape of the beak. They have a very wide mouth with a huge gape, like a frog. Number 3. Ticaca frog. The Ticaca water frog is an endangered species that is found only in the huge freshwater lake shared by Peru and Bolivia and its tributaries. The Ticaca water frog has enormous folds of skin, which increase its surface area and help the amphibian absorb more oxygen from the surrounding air. As a result of their baggy skin, they are sometimes called Ticaca scrotum frogs. Number 4. Naked mole rat. The naked mole rat, also known as sand puppy, is a unique creature not only because of its look but also because it does not feel any pain. A naked mole rat has yellowish skin, which also appears pinkish at times. Its skin is also wrinkly, adding to its ugliness. Thin legs, tiny eyes, and the front teeth protrude more than any other type of rat. These can survive up to 18 minutes without oxygen. The burrowing rodents are native to the desert regions of East Africa. Their tiny eyes are not much used underground, but they can still see a little bit. However, mole rats rely on their senses of hearing, smell, and touch more than they do their sight. Number 5. Sphinx cat. Just like naked mole rat, the sphinx cat is also hairless, which makes it unique as well as weird. These hairless cats were created by breeding selective hairless cats that existed due to naturally occurring genetic mutations in cats. Number 6. Marabou stork. The marabou stork is a large bird that is found in Africa, south of the Sahara. These animals have bare, pink heads and necks and can grow to be up to 5 feet tall. They are scavengers, often feeding on carrion or garbage. Number 7 on our ugliest animals in the world list is the blogfish. An unusual deep-sea fish that lives in the waters off of Australia and Tasmania's coasts. These grisly creatures are gelatinous, which means they have no skeleton or scale. Having no muscles in it, it looks like a piece of slimy mess. Next is the purple frog. The purple frog also has an unusually pointed snout with smaller eyes and small head. To top it all off, the purple frog has horizontal pupils in those tiny eyes, and its body looks like a balloon filled with gas. It spends most of its life hiding in underground burrows, stays clung with rocks and boulders submerged in water. The purple frog lives its life by eating termites, worms, and ants. Purple frogs only come out of their hiding for the mating season, which lasts for around 2 weeks. It is primarily found in India. Due to its elongated snout, the purple frog is known with different names, like a pig-nosed frog or nose frog. Number 9. Proboscis monkey. The proboscis monkey is also known as the Old World monkey. They are known with names like a long-nosed monkey, orang belanda, and moniat belanda, meaning Dutch monkey or Dutchman. They are mostly found in riverine forests, mangroves, and swamps in Indonesia and the Southeast Asian island of Borneo. It mostly stays in lowland habitats near water. These unique animals are easily recognizable by their long, bulbous noses, especially in males. Proboscis monkeys use their big sniffers to attract mates. The same part of their face is used for making some loud honking calls. They are also known for their reddish-brown fur and pot bellies. Proboscis monkeys are proficient swimmers and can often be seen wading in rivers or swimming in lakes. Number 10. Yeti crab. This crab species is a deep-sea creature that is found in the South Pacific Ocean. These crabs are covered in hair-like filaments and have claw-like appendages. They grow to be up to 6 inches long and are currently considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. Number 11. A nocturnal lemur found in Madagascar. Their straggly hair, bulging eyes, continually growing incisors, and oversized ears combine to make them one of the ugliest primates and animals around. Adding to their weird looks is an unusually long, bony middle finger. As Ai walks on a branch, it taps with this middle finger to listen for echoes, then chews through the wood to use its middle finger to prize out insects to eat. Next is the Potoos or ghost bird. The Potoos is a mysterious ghost bird that lives in the dark, shadowy forests of southern Mexico, northeastern Guatemala through most of Central America and South America, and are most active at night. The great Potoo has a large head and its eyes are also very large with a brown to yellow iris. It looks like an owl but does not belong to the same family. They are related to the nigers and frogmouths. This creepy creature preys on large insects and small vertebrates. The great Potoo is most known for its harsh scream that echoes throughout the forested areas, and uses its beige-colored feathers as a camouflage against predators. During the day, the nocturnal birds, which are found in tropical America, perch on tree stumps and seamlessly blend into the bark by plumping up their feathers, before going off hunting for flying insects to eat at night. Number 13. Star-nosed mole. Native to eastern North America, the star-nosed is the only mole species that live in swamps and marshes. The star-nosed mole has 22 fleshy pink tentacles that form the star on the nose of this mole, and it remains an odd-looking creature. The mole, which is covered in dense, blackish-brown, water-repellent fur, ideal for its life in moist, mucky soil, has broad, scaly feet with large claws for fast digging, a stout cylindrical body, and a long thick tail that swells with fat to 3 to 4 times its normal size during the winter. The male's testes also expand during the mating season, once yearly, roughly mid-March to April, and can reach nearly 9% of the animal's entire body weight. Appropriate to its life largely underground, the star-nosed mole is essentially blind. Number 14. Gharial crocodile. The reptile is native to Nepal and Indian subcontinent. Larger than the Nile and American crocodiles, a typical gharial can grow to 15 feet in length and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. They are the most aquatic of all crocodile species. Webbed feet and a long, flattened tail gives them great swimming power. Their distinct long thin snout cuts through the water with little resistance, and the razor-sharp teeth that zigzag together like a zipper, trap fish in their mouth. The gharial crocodile, also known as the fish-eating crocodile, is a critical endangered species. Number 15. Rhode Island snake-neck turtle. The Rhode Island snake-neck turtle is one of 32 species of freshwater turtles and tortoises in Indonesia and considered one of the world's rarest turtles. Rhode Island snake-neck turtle is basically a turtle with a snake-like neck. The creature has a slender neck, as long as its entire body. Number 16. Hagfish. Hagfish are known as slime eels, but they are not eels but fish without jaws and bones. Living in cool waters around the world, these fish are scaleless with soft skin, have 4 hearts and breathe through their nose and skin. Hagfish depend on their well-developed senses of smell and touch to navigate and find food. They have several pairs of barbels, sensing tentacles, around their mouths and single nostril on the top of their heads. Hagfish mostly feed on dead and dying creatures on the seafloor. They are known to bury themselves face first in a carcass, boring a tunnel deep into its flesh to eat their meal from the inside out. And coming in at number 17 on our ugliest animals in the world list is the Matamata turtle. The Matamata is a South American turtle with a striking appearance. Its carapace, or shell, is rough and knobby, and its long neck has fleshy folds of warts, bumps and ridges, making it one of the ugliest-looking creatures of the sea. The Matamata turtle's large, flat head features a wide mouth and a long, snorkel-like snout. Matamata turtles prefer the soft, muddy bottoms of slow-moving, shallow bodies of water. What do you think about this list? Do you have any other ugliest animal in the world to add? Write in the comments section and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.